Doctors at Ascension Sacred Heart Bay are offering a new treatment for patients with high blood pressure. Ascension is the first in the region to offer the minimally invasive procedure. As News 13's Bailey Nichols tells us, patients have to meet certain requirements to be eligible for this treatment.
Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. The leading cause of heart disease is hypertension or high blood pressure.
50% of adults have high blood pressure. 80% of them are not controlled.
The Centers for Disease Control statistics show someone dies from heart disease every 33 seconds. Physicians at Ascension Sacred Heart say this new procedure may improve that number. It's called renal denervation. The procedure reduces nerve activity between the heart and the kidneys. Catheters are passed into the kidney arteries on both sides, and radiofrequency energy is sent out to disrupt nerve signals. It takes about an hour to complete both kidneys.
We're accustomed to this, and we're actually then applying the radiofrequency energy within the same artery that we're used to accessing.
It lowers the patient's blood pressure.
Every 10-millimeter drop of blood pressure reduces your risk of having a heart attack, stroke, or dying by about 20%.
This procedure is only being offered to patients who fall into a specific category.
Patients that have what we call resistant hypertension. They're on 3 medications at maximal doses that they can tolerate, and their blood pressure still is high, above 140 systolic.
Dr. Patel says he estimates that 20% of his patients qualify for this procedure. He and Dr. Haggie had performed the first renal denervation procedure on March 13th.
It's really leading the way in terms of keeping our population as healthy as possible to prevent future complications and increasing burden in the community and on the healthcare system.
And doctors say it's a safe procedure with very little side effects.
Less than 1% complication rate in over 25,000 patients that have had it done so far, worldwide. So it's a relatively safe procedure. Usually the effect of the procedure won't occur until about a few weeks after the procedure.
In Panama City, Bailey Nichols, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Well, in Bay County alone, there have been 3,000 ER visits and 2,000 hospitalizations for high blood pressure over the last 33 years.